Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use revid.ai for travel vlogs. So what gonna do, you will just see this generate scripts. So generate scripts use revid.ai generation feature to create compelling narratives based on your travel experiences or blog post. You can input key points or topics and the AI will help formulate to the script. So you will just add on topic, and if you have your own script you can also upload it from here, but I will just use it for perplexity for this short story. So I will just copy it, and I will just tap on this generate script, and I will just tap to this script here, and just tap on generate story. So the target duration you will just set up for 120 seconds, and it will be generating. So wait for the moment. You will just add your topic, and it will tool automatically generate your video creation. And let's see what's the answer, and it will be generating. So here is the some examples. You can you can just read it with later, but right now I will just tell you the fast thing is that you will just choose from one of these three. I will just if I just selected the number one is break talking ancient temple discovered by accident in the Amazon rainforest. So I will just tab, I want this script, like, and just tab on this to create video, and let's see. So so video is just created, and I will just scroll down, and from here are some basics editing if you want to import medias, and if you want to just like select the voice or record yourself also. So from here are the basics. You can just select the voice gender like male or female, and you can also select audio or generate your own music. So if I just tab on it, generate video, so it will preparing for me. So let's see, here is generating. So this is, you can just easily how to use revi.ai for travel blogs or blog posts. They are very amazing feature in this revi.ai. So let's see. Please wait for some moment of generating this video. So the video is ready. Here you will see. I will just tap on it to play. In this revi.ai, some features are for free and some are on subscription. So I will just tab on to play. Let's see.
Breathtaking ancient temple discovered by accident in the Amazon rainforest. But that's not even the craziest part. We were completely lost. The map was soaked, our GPS dead, and night was falling fast. That's when we stumbled upon it. Massive stone walls covered in glowing moss, stretching higher than the tallest trees. Local tribes had kept it secret for centuries. They showed us ceremonial masks made of pure gold and told us stories of their ancestors who built this masterpiece 3,000 years ago. Here's what blew our minds. The temple walls aligned perfectly with the stars, creating a natural calendar more accurate than our modern ones. And we were the first outsiders to witness it. Now we're working with the tribe to protect this sacred place. Some mysteries of the jungle are meant to stay hidden. Breathtaking ancient temple discovered by accident in the Amazon rainforest. But that's
So that's it. It's amazing. This is, you can just use how to for travel blogs. It's very amazing tool of revi.ai. So from here, after creating, you will just select the frame, text, video, sticker. If you want to add some animation and sound effects overlay, so you can just tab on from here. And if you want to just select the aspect ratio, you will just tab on here, and you will just select the ratio from the here. and just simply tap on this export button and save into your dashboard. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.